Maj je mesec, v katerem se poroči največ parov in če ste med njimi tudi vi, vam iskreno čestitamo. Z veseljem bi vas povabili na kakšno poroko, ampak ker se noben iz naše ekipe ne bo kmalu poročil, smo se odločili, da vas raje povabimo na Dekliščino. Ta, verjamemo, bo mnogo bolj zabavna, kot pa bi bila naša poroka, za katero si želimo, da bi bila tako glamurozna, kot je bila kraljevska. Ja, ženski del ekipe se je že podal na lov za princeme. Dekliščino si bomo privoščili v četrtek 12. maja ob 19:30 v Mariborskem koloseju in ja, lahko pridete tudi fantje. Kakšna je pot do prostih vstopnic, si lahko preberete na spletni strani www.velikoplatno.si.
You're going along with your life and you look around and you notice like, oh, I am in my 30s, I have $40,000 in debt, I live with a weirdo. You do have a super creepy roommate. You read my diary?
At first, I did not know that it was your diary. I thought it was a very sad, handwritten book.
A lot of people, I think, find themselves in their 30s of like, I don't know what am I supposed to be doing with my life. I'm engaged. Oh my God! He asked me last night. What is happening? When her best friend Lillian gets married, I think that's why it hits her. You'd be my maid of honor. Of course! Let's go say hi to the rest of the bridal party. Get to punch it a couple times.
Lillian is the best friend to Annie all these years. Very quickly, she starts this whirlwind journey into getting married. You'll love the rest of the bridesmaids.
You're so pretty. So cute. Did you come from work?
So you're immediately introduced to all of the other people in her life.
I'd be more than happy to handle the bachelorette and the shower. I think I can handle it.
Annie, what is this place?
Oh, look, you can get a check cash next door.
When you have a bridal party, it's going to be across the board a bit of a motley crew of women. What other situation would you all be thrown together?
Helen, aren't you eating any meat?
It's not good to eat a big meal before a fitting.
This is some classy sh**. I want to apologize. I'm not even confident of which end that came out of.
There are those moments of, gross out.
You got food poisoning from that restaurant. No.
But you care about what happens to the characters.
Everybody, go outside!
Be careful! We all got the flu! Such a coincidence!
6 funny, strange, quirky characters that are all real.
I feel like her life is going off and getting perfect, and mine's just like...
I don't think you want any help. I think you want to have a little pity party. Oh. I'm life, huh? Oh, Megan, life bothering you? I'm your life, Annie. I'm life, and I'm gonna bite you in the ass.
We just wanted to tell like that real story of what it's like to be in a wedding. You're gonna take this huge step and I'm gonna be there right next to you. I am dead serious. Dead serious.
Will you marry me?
Yes. Yeah, sometimes it can be like kind of a pain in the ass.
Wasn't it my turn to be crazy?
You're like the maid of dishonor.
You should come to Lillian's wedding with me.
No.